Here he is, guys, the one and only Bumblebeast. Look at this truck. This is a Cross PG4L. I did this dually build over a year ago. Depends on when you're watching this video. Could have done it a long time ago. But this is a 1/10 scale electric truck. Absolutely amazing. We did a custom airbrush design on here with my buddy Ryan at Bloodshot Airbrushing. He was actually the steady hand that made this whole vision of mine come together. We designed how battle damaged Bumblebeast would actually look with the Allspark flowing throughout his body. But this is a really amazing kit. The only thing I found very challenging about it and why you guys don't see me drive it more is because it truly is like a super scale body. Not just the body, but the axles. Check it out. This reminds me of the old original kits that came out for Tamiya, the Highlift series. Like the old Tamiya Tundra I had really big pumpkin housings or differential housings just like this one does, which kind of adds the limit of the type of obstacles you can go over. But some of the notable features on here, of course, are the exhaust pipes that actually move. The great detail. Big shout out to Ryan, of course. The detail on here with the bullets and the laser hits and everything on here. It's just truly stunning, the ability that man has. Now here we go, in the back, an S-Dual sound kit, kind of disguised amongst all the little scale accessories there. Also, you'll notice when I put the body through to be painted, I left those center molding pieces in there, and I kind of made it look like window separators. So that was a really cool idea, not to cut those separators out. For this back roll bar, I kind of had to use a not made for this truck roll bar and had to make it fit in there, but it really turned out well. The Allspark flowing all the way through this body, and even if you have a look and kind of squint your eyes a little bit, if you imagine the paint job, you can see Bumblebee's face right through there. In fact, that windshield lights up with two eyes, but with the sunlight you just can't see it. Giant lion in the background. Shout out to you, Pumpkin. That's my mouser out there doing his job. This is the starting gate. This is where everything kind of kicks off. So we're gonna get the truck up there. First obstacle will be the rock and this crazy seesaw. This shot should give regular viewers quite a perspective on how long this truck is. It barely fits up here, one of the longest trail trucks I have, which is great for uphill climbing, but very bad because you can actually belly out pretty easily. Here we go. Nice, easy way down. There's that belly out. Ha ha! Plus, we also kind of have a drag plate there, so I'm gonna have to give her a little bit more jam. Ooh, limitation. All right, a little drag on my camera work there. Sorry guys, but I was actually paying attention to the truck. Okay, so backing it up. Let's get her started up this rock. Beautiful. Lining it up. Driving with one hand, holding the camera with the other. Trying to figure out what to say to you while I'm actually figuring out how to maneuver. There we go. Nice wide axles. So there was an excellent example of how a longer truck can actually dismount a decline like that. Most trucks actually flip right here. Big side hill. When this is slippery, it's almost impossible, but today we're pretty lucky. Uh-oh. I'm high centered again. Hey, we all get by with a little help from our friends. There we go. Okay, so I think the smart thing to do, there's a choice here. This one is very difficult and made for very articulating trucks. Same with this one here. Even though this really promotes articulation of the suspension, it's going to be a lot easier going than the obstacle ramp. So I'm going to try that. The only problem is this is a very short distance for a wheelbase, and these axles are quite wide. Got to line up those back tires as well as the fronts. Coming into the articulation area. Now I did swap these shocks out. These shocks are 100 mils, I think, at least. Might be 110, I can't quite remember. Here, I want to get up here and show you what's going on. I'm sliding off the back. I'm having to stay on the throttle a little bit here. Yeah. Up we go. Now watching and trying to look ahead to see kind of axle hang up areas where that low axle housing is going to hurt me. Oh. Big time tire flex on the inside there. Oh, I'm sliding. Good thing we got to an even spot. Bringing it in. Oh, I don't want to dig a hole here. This is a huge challenge. As soon as you start digging a hole in this area, you're toast. All the water and the snow has been changing the landscape. Let's back it up. Oh, I didn't mean that far. Oh, I ruined the ruins. Oh, you ruined the ruins. That's an awesome drop. Look at that droop. That's a nice shot, hey? Wow. Okay, enough with the nice shot. Let's get up this darn hill already. Oh, crunchy. That's a big rock. You knew it would do it. So did I. Let's go down this way. Nice and slow. Oh no! No. See, we're kind of caught up. This is a bad thing. Come on, throw her in reverse, beast. Oh, it hurts to look at. It hurts to look at. It hurts me in my old age. Here we go. Kind of just letting it roll in neutral there. Now I have this whole aerial section, but I am not doing that with this truck. I love it too much. I don't want to break his hard shell. That's what she said. Everything gets used around here. No shelf kings or queens. I love the suspension, how that moves.
No shelf kings or queens. I love the suspension.
More speed. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it hurts with that giant concrete rock there. That's what sliders are for, though. Yeah, that turbo trying to kick us out of here. Stuck. Looks like the only way is to back out. Forward. When in doubt, throttle out. Beautiful. There we go, folks. The Beast putting on a show. What a great rip. What do you think of this truck, guys? Let me know in the comment section down below. Always good to hear your thoughts and your ideas. And we'll say, see you in the next episode of RC Adventures. Now get outside and enjoy some RC. Yeah!